In this video, you will learn how you can post anonymously on your Facebook group. So first of all, you have to open your Facebook app. But if before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the very end, so you don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it from yourself. So first of all, you have to open your Facebook profile, and now you have to click on groups option. After that, you will have an interface like this. So here you have to click on your groups option in a top. After that, you will have an interface like this. So here you have to select a group which you want to post anonymously. Let's say I want to post in this group. After that, you will have an interface like this. So here what you need to do is you have to simply click on write something option. Now you have to click create some post. After that, you will see a option called post anonymously. So now you have to simply turn this option on. Now you have to click on got it. After that, you have to simply click on post, and that's how you can post anonymously in your Facebook group. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.